In our previous tutorial, we showed you how to set up your domain DNS settings on Namecheap to work with your TuneHere page. Some users have reported that these settings don't always work with other registrars because some providers lack the capacity for advanced DNS management. To fix this, we will use Cloudflare's advanced DNS, while keeping your basic domain registration where it is. We aren't transferring your domain ownership, we are simply redirecting the settings to Cloudflare so you can manage everything there. 1. Create a free Cloudflare account. 2. Add your domain. Click the button to add your domain to Cloudflare. This connects the domain without transferring ownership. 3. Enter your domain name and tap Continue. 4. Select the free plan, which is sufficient for our needs. 5. Clean up existing records. Select all current settings imported from your registrar and delete them. They are not required for this setup. 6. Confirm the deletion. 7. Add your TuneHere records. You can enter your 2 CNAMEs and 1 TXT record now to continue activation, or add them later in the DNS settings. 8. Input your data. Copy the 3 records, 2 CNAMEs and 1 TXT directly from your TuneHere Settings page. Note: ensure the orange clouds, proxy, are unselected before you continue. (9) Copy the name servers. Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers. Copy these to the basic DNS section of your registrar. In this example, I'm using Namecheap, but the process is similar for others. 10. Manage your domain. Locate your domain in your registrars list and select Manage. 11. Update name servers. Change the settings to Custom DNS and paste the name servers provided by Cloudflare. Once this is done, you won't need to change anything at your registrar again. All advanced settings will be managed through Cloudflare. Refresh the page after 5 to 10 minutes and you should see Cloudflare is connected. Any future configurations, like email forwarding, will now be handled within Cloudflare. That's it! You're all set to focus back on your music.